Thanks. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. All right, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your phone. From the main screen, tap on View All Services. This will display the full list of features available in the app. Next, scroll down and tap on Pay Bills. Then look for the ADA or Automatic Debit Arrangement option and tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see the amount of funds that can be added using GCredit. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap Continue, and you'll be shown the GIPS payment option. Proceed by selecting it. After that, you'll be given different installment options based on your eligibility. Choose the installment plan that suits you best. Once you confirm your selection, the amount will be deducted from your GCredit and added to your GCash wallet instantly. Make sure you have enough credit available to complete the transaction. So that's basically how you can transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.